guest doesn't need any introduction. You know, there's a ZJ in the house, and she's Sparky, baby. Welcome to the stage. You know, she is really somebody who, you know, I like how Dr. Donahoe put it, the new wave of reggae. And she's somebody who really, really supports them, you know.
Keznamdi's launch, you know what I mean? You have to give thanks. And it's a thing when I always express to him, like I tell Kez from last year when I just started working with him, say, yo, y'all go big, you know what I mean? And I told Kelissa, I told Kabaka that it was the last thing I do. I must produce a whole album, you know what I mean? But, you know, you have to start from baby steps till I reach where I go. Well, I can start by saying, you know, it's a great honor, even more than when I hear my own music on the radio, to hear music that I produce. With production being the form of music that I really love, you know. My first introduction into music was being a producer, you know. And all of the artists that are on the show tonight, Dre Island, Kabak, they are all artists that I have worked with, you know. And working on Darkness, Kabak and Kez, you know, Kez come up with this chorus one day and him have a guitar sample and say, yo, some of the guitar this, you know, I say, I'm going to sample it, man. I'm just chop it, you know? And, you know, build the rhythm, and Kez is a youth like me, him not for right nor nothing, the song just come, snap. And him say, yo, you say, Kabaka have to sing on this time. I say, I mean, you know, and the music work, you know, and like him have the chorus there, linger. You know, something happened and him one day and him just getting inspiration and run go over the studio. By the time I reach the song done, you know? And I have to give thanks to that, you know, My Love For You, the feature, that's the next very good song. It's a song that rhythm there now. It's a rhythm I'm a build for Bounty Killer when me then like grade 9. I write the song and Carragher get killer and Killer say, yo, that song you bad. Must sing it. You know, but you don't know Uncle Rodney and his business and things. So the rhythm dead and dead till Kez hear it and say, oh, you deal with Bounty Killer, give it this. You know? And we come up with the song right there and then, you know? And it's a joy if you see a youth where you just love music and want to do it, and at any given time from a studio I'm ready. You know? Kelissa now working on Kelissa's, yeah, we also produced Gideon. Very, very, very good song, you know what I mean? And Kelissa now is an artist where she's like somebody who do music for a movie. You know, she don't really produce regular music, so I always tell her that. Now watch the time, but the very day when people really take the time out and listen to your music, them are going to drop down on the ground and cry if you see I really this I was making all along, you know what I mean? Because it's like movie soundtrack, she right, you know? And the whole Rebel in Disguise EP, Africa, Love Letter, Sing, Gideon, you know, all of them music then. It was the same with my EP. I released my EP in 2011. Most people never know that. Ask Sparks. Sparks, I play the song them from them time then. You know, it's now everybody around come and say, yo, Chronic's a new tune behind curtain, but the song is 3 years old. You know what I mean? So it's not even the timing and them thing that like Gideon is on Capitalist Rhythm. Capitalist Rhythm is also 3 years old. It's the same rhythm. Man a real warrior today. You know? And people tend to just make it look like I know you just start the music, but this is where patience gets it. So congrats to Kelissa and Keznamdi, you know what I mean? Some nice music them, you know? And I'm looking forward to working with anybody else within this movement who have good music to put forward. Me will sit down in a studio and produce it. Me will take time from my personal life as an artist to do this thing, because I think it's an even bigger contribution than just jumping up a mic and say, ah boy, you know? To make music where you can sit down and enjoy, knowing that it's not your lyrics, it's not your words, but you had something to do with the production, you know what I mean? So Once I give thanks, not just me, but all of the good producers out there who supporting the movement. Genuinely, I'm not trying to exploit the artists because a fire and thunder and lightning strike down upon some producer in the place right now. Welcome try milk the youth them and little Rasta youth them after. And I never used to listen to music. And through the little song them nice now, I come with rhythm and thing. When I go on here, and the rhythm them not bad like how I would neither. So I want to say big up Ambessa, you know. Kelissa, who is also a very good producer, most people don't know that. Write and compose all our album and me and her produce it. Big up Teflon, the General, big up Shady, Grady, big up Daddy Barnes, Zion, the whole Zing Fence production team. Give thanks and praise Keznamdi, a thing. It's really looking beautiful. Kelissa, Rastafari, I know, the music, it make me get elated right now. I tears things, so we're going to move, you know? In a scene.
Thank you so much, Chronic. Thank you, thank you. All right, well, you can't know where you're going if you don't know where you've come from. And this next special guest, our last guest before we reach to our main production, is my daddy. Daddy, come to the stage. And, you know, boy, we wouldn't be here if it wasn't for him, literally and figuratively. And in fact, if you guys didn't know, every single one of the songs that are being performed tonight was recorded in my father's studio. And you know, we were all getting ready tonight, and it was hustle and bustle up at the house as usual. And I genuinely saw just pride in Daddy's eyes. I don't think he knew I was observing. But he made a comment to say, boy, you know, it looked like all of my investment, you know, is really worth it. And these are parents who really invest every single thing to their last sweat, blood, and tears in their children. And this must be a really special night, you know.
Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure, Selassie I the first. Ja! Rastafari. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to Keznamdi and Kelissa's launch of their respective productions. It is indeed a pleasure. It is a pleasure. It's beyond pleasure. It's almost euphoria. It's like chalice or a smoke with herb, right? To see that the children are, you know, it is a long struggle. You know, music is not an easy thing. It's not a guarantee. And it's not even the reggae music is not so much like, say, it's a career thing. And yeah, it's a career thing. And we really love the revival. I'm not afraid to say revival. Because, you know, I know say you're the daughter, they say it already. I don't mean to cut where did I say a while ago. But I have to address that because we are very proud of the revival of reggae in Jamaica. It don't need no revival in Africa and Europe and other places, you know. But down here, we wasn't reviving. So we're glad to know we're reviving again. And we clap them, clap the youth then. All these youth starting from whoever want to know on yourself. Clap on yourself too. Because I want to do it on yourself and on the parents and the whole country and Jamaica and the world very proud. Because at least we know, say, Rasta is on top. And you know, when Rasta is on top, you know, the system so flop. Yeah. So you know, say, we know partial. Because the word is love and it's peace and love, but it's equal rights and justice. And of them things that we are talking about in the music from a long time, and then they want to put it under the mat. And put it under here and then bring dancehall and things. Dancehall is nice, the rhythm is nice. But the lyrics are lousy. We need constructive lyrics to build a nation. We need the people them to know themselves. We need the people them to live up and live unto righteousness and hopefulness. But the little children supposed to, little babies supposed to can come on the show and enjoy and get something from it. So we're glad for the revival here. We're not afraid to call it revival. When Miss Hope, Dr. Hope did say it means, say what? Something that wasn't as popular and now it get popular again. So we're not glad, man. How come the elder? Oh, notice you put me as a elder behind the pulpit here, you know. As a elder in a church. We are an elder in a church thing, you know. But we give thanks because reggae is the mouthpiece of Rastafari. People can't do reggae unless they're a Rasta. Remember me tell you that. It now go feel nice. Rastafari, believe it, ever faithful, ever sure. Ja! This is the mouthpiece of Rastafari. Remember me telling you that the whole world know it too. And when another Rasta deal with it, it's not nice. Alright, back to the thing now. Alright, yeah. Hold it. Yeah, Cricky, big up yourself, yeah. One thing we like with them youth, yeah? Them is very hard working. I remember I said them youth, hear the thing now. You know, I notice when we come in here tonight, all the kids' friend, Camila friend, all these friends when we used to drive up and down and carry them go to school. Sometimes I was 5 different schools I have to drive going. Because we have Woolmars, Andrews, Immaculate, Wells, Campion, any more? More. And there's more there. But the thing is, it's a family thing, my people. Young people. Remember, it's all about family. One thing slavery doing is destroy our family unit. You know, the mother and the father. When we go to Africa and live, you know, it's extended family. It's the grandparents. Them call me Babu now, you know. Because in Africa, the word Babu means grandfather. In Swahili, yeah. So them call me Babu now down here because I have 2 grandyouth now and thing. But it's not just grandfather that I want to know, you know. I look it up, it means exalted one, wise one, great one, all these ones. So I say Babu, I think I'm Indian, and that is the exalted one. So big up on yourself, but what will I say again? Yeah. Yeah, we know all of the thing now because the music is big and all them youth are. And see all them youth are. Look at youth them, you know, the whole of them, you know. So that's why we love it, because what you say, the popularity of reggae again and Rasta, the mouthpiece now, is a thing. But here's the thing now. We is a nation. I want a Rasta. Rasta man, them on the there? I want to know from the there, you know, man. Because here's the thing. We have a thing when in the 70s when the Rasta thing did go on, you know, that thing, and we're ready to take on the world and thing, and the house them, the Bingy house, and the Bobo house, and the 12 tribe house, and the Orthodox. It was great, you know, because his house is in the mansion, but it wall down. And I say unto the Rasta man them in this time, I hold up man of the year. Ja! We say we have come out of the house thing now, his nation. The nation of Rastafari. And you see all them youth will rise up here now in the music and thing. And all them way Sparks will tell about all these social networks and Twitter and Twitter and all these things and Facebook and how much thing. We know all these things, you know. Yeah. The point is, all I say is, my people, it's about nationhood now. Everywhere in the world are going on. You think Rasta? Rasta not big as you know. We want to try to Africa. Everyone a Rasta Africa almost. This Rasta movement is bigger than Jamaica. You didn't know? There's more Rasta than Jamaican. I tell you that. In the world. Europe, everywhere. So, all I say to you is, we have something where other white people, Japanese, everybody, them come. You ever see some bubble Japanese? Rastafari. And some white man, Bingy. And not mimicking them or nothing, no. We give talk, we can't run them away, no. Because it's a thing where we did have as Rasta car, plenty Rasta man now. It's black supremacy and these lofty ideas and things. But the white people come, and it's them come amongst them. Where you going to run them away? You cannot run away people who want to help. But we have to put the African people and the black people back to equalness and Africa within at the table of mankind. So when the white people and the Japanese and everybody come, yes, you know, come, we are welcome. But we have our work to do. We have to get reparations. We have to think about Africa and to unite Africa. Because you know, so Africa have 54 different countries, you know, and have 54 money, you know, 54 visa, 54 passport. It's a mad something. We have a work to do as people, and they look to us as Jamaicans and as Rastafarians. When we go to Africa, I might degree them important, you know, and we become an important citizen when we go to Africa. When we go to Jamaica, people look down upon me as Rasta, you know. Come with my big degree, them all pass through the office and say, where's that gentleman, Mr. McDonald, who's supposed to come? And I mean that sit down right there saying, you know. Can't believe this. You understand what I say? So, them just overlook us and underlook us and all kind of look us. But it's Rastafari and reggae music ignite the world. You understand? And make them love Jamaica so much. Yeah! Alright, hold on. Hold it. We could do some shows here. We don't know Chakula? We don't know Chakula. Alright, now we're on yourself. We know Chakula. Anyhow, bottom line is Keznamdi and Kelissa. You two picking them. Two of them picking them. Eh? We come to big them up tonight because them really carrying on a tradition and uplifting the revolution along with all of them brethren and sisters who's in the house tonight. Big up on yourself! Because we know on yourself. We not big up on the one another and it's going to live long. And 20, 30, 40 years from now, we're going to remember these days. And know, say, it's good days. But Keznamdi is a man, you know. He was always a lucky youth. They say nobody will favor their mother lucky or something. But I always look, remember one time we was a star football in Africa in high school. And all of a sudden now, the coach getting something about some girl thing or something. So them now want to give him the MVP award in the night, you know, kind of discipline. I tell the coach, no do it so. Discipline him different. To my father, he look away. I'm telling him, say, nah, give me now. When the night of the thing now, and them forget case, and them not get case. The crowd boo the coach and thing. In the award. Anyhow, them have a thing now in the night now where it's a raffle. It's a raffle, you know. And I see him coach now, you know. It's a trip to Kenya for two, you know. Here comes the justice. So when we go out now, my next little daughter named Kadia, we don't know her yet. It's the next one again. When she come out now, we see the coach. Here Kadia to the coach. You see it though. God now sleep. Anyhow, we have say, we have a lot of things to say about Keznamdi Kelissa. And we look at darling, she's a girl, you know. You see all in a fair room, everything straight, you know. Everything very right, you know. Every socks, everything full up neat, you know. And the other children, them now, two for them one, you understand them last for them one? Them come on a raid fair one. So it was a struggle indeed to growing up with them like that one. It's a happy family. And we live loving, we have a little quarrel and thing, but tomorrow we are still brother and sister and father. And sometimes he come in like one of the brother them. We have to hide from mommy and things here with them. Because we like the music, you know, I don't know, the music. We love the music. Keznamdi and Kelissa. Go on and take over the world. Rastafari!
Directed and shot the video, you know. It really is a joy to see it manifest the way it has. And everybody else who put them strength towards it. So we just want to say, give thanks, so run it.
And turn your attention to the screen right here, people. Can we rewind it. Back it up, please. Back it up. Ease out. Ready for you.